We have enjoyed this interaction immensely. This has truly been co-creating at its best. Be easy about all of this. We make too much of all of this. Get out there and find something to be happy about and be happy about it. And then look for something else to be happy about and be happy about that. And don't try to fix the world. It isn't broken. And don't try to reform your own self. There's nothing that needs to be reformed. And make peace with where you are. And try to make the best of things. And look for things to be happy about. And make lists of positive aspects. And get on rampages of appreciation. And look for the best feeling thought that you can find from wherever you are. But most of all, just take it easy. Just relax a little bit and look for the blessings that surround you and make lists of the things that you are appreciating and get yourself tuned back up to the vibration of well-being that is so natural to you. Oh, we want so much for you to get a sense of what we see lined up outside your door. The aerial view of the vibrational escrow that is being held for you is amazing. And as you just relax a little bit, it begins to flow in. You'll never get it done, and you cannot get it wrong. And there is nothing that you are supposed to do, only that which you want to do. Be selfishly interested in the way you feel, and let everybody else take care of the way they feel. And it is our promise to you that you will fulfill your reason for being, that you will contribute to this time-space reality in the most emphatic way imaginable, that you will fulfill your every dream as they continue to unfold, and most of all, you will live the life of joy that is your legacy. There is great love here for you. We are.